Have you ever looked at the top of your camera's LCD screen and seen the word dual? Do you wonder what that word means? Well, I'll tell you, it stands for dual record mode. In other words, if you have two SD cards in your camera in dual record mode, it will record on both of them at the same time. You can also record in series mode, which records on one SD card at a time if you have two SD cards in your camera. So, how do you change between the two? I'll show you. First, go to Menu, and then scroll on down to System. Select System, and then select Record Set. Scroll on down until you get to Slot Mode. As you can see, this camera is in dual mode. We're going to select it, and you have backup, dual, and series to choose between. You'll probably want either dual or series based on the type of work that you do. For example, let's say you are a photographer with an MMJ or vice versa, and you're covering like a Trump rally. In dual mode, you could record while you're up there on the riser, pop one card out, give it to an MMJ or photographer to go cut a sound bite, and keep recording, and you would still have that same video on the first card. So if two different MMJs were doing some team coverage, one could take one card and the other could take the other, and you could both cut a package. In series mode, that's what's most useful for me, and I'll tell you why. Because when I take video off of my cards, I do cut and paste, and then the video's gone. I don't have to go back in and delete clips off. If I had my camera in dual mode, every time I shot video and took video off one card, I'd have to pop the other one out and take the video off of the second card. So, dual mode has its advantages, series mode has its advantages. It's just a matter of what works best for you.